Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a vibrant makeup kit that's been making waves with young beauty enthusiasts, the Hot Sugar Makeup Kit for teenager girls. Perfect for beginners, this kit is designed as a comprehensive, all-in-one beauty experience, featuring everything from eyeshadows and lip balms to blushes and brushes, all wrapped up in a chic, rainbow-themed aluminum organizer. Let's break down what this starter kit offers, who it's best suited for, and why it's a popular choice for young makeup lovers everywhere. Now, to get into the details, the Hot Sugar Makeup Kit is a thoughtfully curated set that combines quality with variety. Inside, you'll find 46 eyeshadows with an impressive range of finishes from matte and shimmery to earthy tones, plus 20 lip balms and 2 lip glosses. These colors pop, blend well, and most importantly, don't create that messy fallout that we all try to avoid. The kit is also hypoallergenic and paraben-free, making it gentle enough for teens with sensitive skin. There's no harshness here, just safe, quality pigments that offer strong color payoff without irritation. Setting up and diving into this kit was straightforward. It's as user-friendly as makeup kits come. The aluminum train case is compact, but incredibly sturdy. With reinforced frames and a protective design, it's built to withstand daily use, whether it's on a dresser or tossed into a bag for an on-the-go touch-up. And the best part? It's a breeze to carry around. Not too bulky, but with enough space to comfortably house all the included makeup. Performance-wise, this kit is a true beginner's gem. The eyeshadows are well-pigmented and blendable, making it easy for teens to experiment with different looks without frustration. The waterproof formula ensures a longer-lasting look, and the lip balms and glosses add a fun pop of color and moisture. It's clear that Hot Sugar has focused on the user experience, crafting a kit that young users can confidently explore without feeling overwhelmed. The pencils glide on smoothly, and the compact mirror box is a convenient touch for those on-the-go moments. On the pros side, the Hot Sugar Makeup Kit is wonderfully inclusive and versatile. It provides all the essentials in one kit, so there's no need for additional purchases to achieve a complete look. The makeup colors and formulas are designed to be forgiving, allowing teens to experiment with different shades and combinations without the high-stakes feel of more professional-grade cosmetics. A potential downside? If you're looking for extremely high-end formulas or premium textures, this may fall slightly short. However, for its target audience and price point, the quality is well-balanced. If you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest beauty insights here on Beautyistic. Comparing the Hot Sugar Kit to other beginner-friendly makeup sets, it stands out with its robust color selection and its rainbow aluminum case, which not only looks stylish, but is also built to last. Many similar kits on the market may offer a wide range of colors, but few have such a convenient, portable design with hypoallergenic ingredients. For those just starting out in makeup, the Hot Sugar Kit offers good value for its price, with its durable, safe design and colorful variety. The build quality of this kit is notable too. It may be geared towards teens, but the materials feel more solid than some more expensive brands. The aluminum organizer is tough, ensuring that the contents stay safe from drops and scratches. It's the little things, meant like sturdy clasps and smooth hinges, that make it feel well-crafted. User-friendliness is a major highlight. The kit's layout makes it easy to see and access each item, minimizing fuss for younger users who are new to makeup. It's all laid out in a way that encourages experimentation and creativity without overwhelming. And should there be any issues with the kit, the customer support team is quick to respond, a bonus, especially if this is a gift for someone young who might need some guidance. In the real world, this kit has been a joy to use for daily wear, simple glam looks, or experimenting with new styles. The eyeshadows in particular were long-lasting with minimal fading, impressive for the price. However, if your teen is already seasoned in makeup and craves more intense professional-grade pigments, this kit might feel more like a fun supplementary collection rather than a primary choice. For teens, tweens, and beginners with a passion for makeup, the Hot Sugar Makeup Kit is a fantastic entry point. It's ideal for those just learning the ropes or wanting to dabble in different looks without committing to pricier products. And it has enough of a color range to appeal to both subtle and more colorful tastes, perfect for every phase of self-expression. To wrap things up, I definitely recommend the Hot Sugar Makeup Kit for young beginners and anyone looking for a versatile, beginner-friendly makeup collection that doesn't compromise on safety or fun. Links to the product are in the comments below, so feel free to check it out. And if you already own this kit, or if you have any questions about it, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic, and we'll catch you in the next video.